What is going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about why apple cider vinegar is a secret hack to weight loss. The science behind that is because of the fact that it has acetic acid, which helps to reduce insulin, which in turn lets your body better absorb nutrients and ultimately regulates your blood sugar levels. Especially as you get older, your ability to absorb nutrients decreases, and so consuming this helps to combat aging. Another secret benefit is that if you're prone to cramps, this is great for almost immediate relief. Personally, for me, the best way to mix this is to take it with some soda water, and it makes it taste just like kombucha. Kombucha is really expensive, so it's also a life hack when it comes to saving money. At the end of the day, there is no magic bullet. In order to be healthy and maintain an ideal weight, is to do all the little things, eating right, exercising. This is just one tool to help. So find all the things that work for you, apply them on a daily basis. Don't do things that are temporary. If you don't see yourself doing something forever, don't do it at all. And best of luck on your journey.